So for our next experiment, what we're going to do is we are going to see what liquid is going to dissolve candy, hard candy, the fastest. Don't ask why I have a candy cane still in my house from Christmas. It's fine. So this is what we're going to use as our hard candy, but you can use Jolly Ranchers. We were actually, before we found this, we were going to use Lollipop. So any sort of hard candy, again, make sure it doesn't really have a coating. And we each chose to put a piece of the candy cane into a different liquid. So we have seltzer, we're going to do hot water and cold water, and we're going to predict which one is going to dissolve the candy cane the fastest.
Sure.
Okay, so we have our stuff set up. So we've got seltzer over here in front of Els. We have cold water in the center, and then we have hot water. We have about the same size piece of candy cane. That way they're all alike, and the only thing that we're changing is the liquid. We have about the same amount of liquid in each cup, and we're all going to drop it in at the same time, and then we're going to check on it every like 10 minutes or so. All right, we ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3.
It's stuck.
All right, so we're going to let them sit, come back and check on them in a little while. Okay, so we're checking back in about 10 minutes after we put our 3 pieces of candy cane in the hot water, which was Mikey's. His candy cane is almost gone. It is all of the color is off of it, and it is slowly dissolving. The cold water, there's really not a whole lot that's happening to mine. And Elsie's, it just has a lot of bubbles coming off of it. It is getting smaller, but it doesn't appear to it's not appearing to be as small as the hot water. So we can let this go and keep an eye on it, see if anything else changes. But this is a great way to teach about the different materials that you can use to see what they do to candies. You can try it with other types of candy. Temperature, you could always do really hot, room temperature, and really cold water. So a lot of different variations to this, but it is pretty cool to see just how long it takes for this sort of reaction to happen. And this is a physical change. So we are changing the material, we're changing its color, and it is dissolving into the different liquids. So another quick thing that you can do, or you can check in on it again later on, make it a little longer.